Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the size of a table in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you need to make your data more readable or fit your table better within your report layout. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it loads up, you'll be greeted with your workspace where all your reports and visualizations live. This is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to get your table looking exactly how you want it. Now click on your table. You'll know it's selected when you see a border appear around it. This step is crucial because you need to have the table active before you can make any changes to its properties. Without selecting it first, the formatting options won't be available to you. Then, on the right side of your screen, you can see the Visualizations panel. This is your control center for all things related to how your visuals look and behave. It contains everything from color schemes to size adjustments, and it's where we'll be making our changes today. Now make sure you are on the Visual tab. This tab is represented by a paint roller icon and contains all the formatting options specific to your selected visualization. If you're on a different tab, simply click on the paint roller icon to switch over. This ensures you're in the right place to modify the appearance of your table. Then click on Values. This section controls how the actual data within your table is displayed. Expanding this option will reveal several formatting choices that let you customize the look of the numbers and text in your table cells. Then change the font size to something like 20. You can type this number directly into the font size field. Increasing the font size makes your data much easier to read, especially if you're presenting on a large screen or if your audience will be viewing from a distance. This adjustment can make a significant difference in how professional and accessible your report appears. Now click on Column Headers. This option is located just below the Values section in the Formatting panel. The column headers are the titles at the top of each column in your table, and they help identify what data each column contains. And change the font size to something like 20. Just like with the values, you can adjust this to match or complement the size you chose for your data. Having consistent or coordinated font sizes between your headers and values creates a more polished and cohesive look for your table. Now drag the corner of your table to resize it, and that's it. Simply click and hold on any corner of your table, then drag it outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. This physical resizing ensures your table fits perfectly within your report canvas and displays all your data without cramping or excessive white space. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the size of your table in Power BI, making it more readable and better suited to your report layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.